Ah, oh, there you are. I didn't see you there. All right, you came back. Great. I hope you had a good break because in this video, I'm going to show you the React Dev tools. Okay, but before I go any further and show you those tools, I just want you to check out one thing. Now, in the last couple of tutorials, we created this component and it had one element that this div inside, right? The render method, this single div wrapped the other div. But what if we want to say, for example, after this div, we want to add h1 tag and say hello. Okay, so let's save this and see if it works. So let's come back to the browser and see that it's not working. What? So if we look into the console, you can see that we have got these errors right here. So let's have a look and see what's happening. So what's happening here is that we've got two top-level tags within the return statement. And React doesn't like that. Can you see that? Yeah. So it wants you to put everything in the return statement in one parent tag. So we can't do this, but by the way, we can get around it. And that's by doing a div tag at the top and then get the closing tag and put it at the end. You follow? So shift these, and now everything is contained within one parent tag. See how it works now? Awesome. So we can't actually add multiple elements, but we can put everything within one single parent tag. How's that? Pretty cool. So now I'm going to delete this whole thing. And now I want to show you some of the React Dev tools. So I'm just going to zoom into the console right here, and you can see it on my toolbar that I have the React tab. Just click on it, and you can see our app components. And inside of it here, we can see our hemisphere display component. So it's showing the components in my application. And not only does it show the component, but if you click on it, it's going to show you the props and the state of that component. Now you can expand it to see what's inside. So now I want to show you how to download this React Dev tool. I hope you weren't clicking around on your computer and saying, hey, I don't have that. So you can use it when you're developing a React app. So what you want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and search for React Dev Tools. Now it's right here. I have already installed it, but if you click on that, you should see an Add to Chrome button. And you just click on that, and then it's going to install it for you. So all you ever need to do then is just right-click the Select Inspect and then open up your console. And then go to React, and it's going to show you the different components in the application. So I think it's a really cool tool that you can download. It's really going to help you when you're going to develop React applications. All right, so that's that. Let's take a break right here, and guess what? You've come too far to quit now. Let's move on to the next section.